To my student with love. Hi, I want to share my story, hoping to inspire others and to express my feelings toward a girl who was once my student. Call me Dylan. It's not my real name, but it's the name of a Korean actor. Kadto galing Angel Eyes na K-drama, ganahan manggod kaayo siya adto. Call her Max lang, not her real name of course. We are both from Mindanao. It started when I entered teaching in one private high school sa Amua. Language teacher di ay ko. Dili gyud na mao akong first choice, but I learned to love my job. Malingaw man gyud pud ko sa mga students na always nagapaminaw nako kung magklase. Ako di ay ang laki nga wala gyud kasulay ug uyab kay lagi adunay kahadlok nga masakitan. Busy sad ko na pagkatao mao wala gyud time para ana. Sa school lang ko malingaw kay dili sa panghinambog daghan man mga students muduol nako kay dili man sila mahadlok kay dili pa man ko minyo. Diha na po'y mga students na ni-confess nako nga crush daw ko nila. I just gave them my appreciation kay I knew from the start na bawal ang intimate na teacher-student relationship, and aside from that, wala pud ko makaangay sa ila. There was one school year na nakaingon ko na lahi. First day of school, usually, it's the day that students will introduce their names man, diba? So that's it. First year pa di ay si Max adto. She's a silent type of girl. Pag-introduce niya, ingon siya, "Hi, I am Max. We just moved in here in Mindanao for almost a month. We came from Cebu. I'm looking forward for new friends here." There were goosebumps after she spoke. She's so fluent in speaking English. Pati ako na amaze. I had in mind that maybe she came from an elite school in Cebu. Ambot nga no excited man ko kung sa ilang section nako magklase. Kanang feeling nga kung pwede pa lang permi ilang section na lang akong ginaklasehan ba. Days passed and I found out that Luz, one of my close students, was Max's cousin. Permi sad si Luz mag-share sa iyang mga experiences every weekend na kauban sila ni Max. One time, I was tasked by our principal to attend a seminar. Sad ko gamay adto kay dili ko makakita ni Max. Murag na love at first sight gid ko niya. But I looked for a way na magka-text sanay mi kay lagi naan ako'y something for her. I asked for her digits from Luz. Didto na. Katekso nun nga dili ko adto na time. Nagpakalalaki ko oy. Ni-text ko og, "Hi Max, this is Sir Dylan. I'll be attending a seminar tomorrow. Would you mind taking charge of the seat work?" Kuyapan ko adto kay wala pa baya ko kasulay og text sa babae na akong giangayan. After 7 minutes, my phone beeped. Hala, si Max nag-reply. Nabuang na siguro ko kay nagpump og paspas akong heart. "Hello sir? Yes, no problem. I'd be happy to help you. By the way, where did you get my number, sir?" I told her na from Luz. Mao to nagsige nami og teksanay. Nag-ilhanay gyud mig ayo. Always na ko mo text sa iyaha. I was right. She came from an elite school in Cebu. They moved to Mindanao for good kay naaman di ay sila yuta diriya. Days passed. Walay na utro. Teksanay mi permi ni Max. Mas nilawom akong feelings for her. Kabalo ko na dili sakto kay teacher ko niya. Naabaya na sa code of ethics of a professional teacher. Every day na ko ginapugngan akong feelings niya bisan feeling uneasy ko if magklase ko sa ilaha. Inspired ko mo tudlo kay naa siya. Kada uli from school, mo text ko niya gyud. Forward lang good og godly quotes o pakapinag good evening sa last. Mo reply pud siya. She told me that she considered me as one of her close friends diri. I was so happy for that. Uso pa man ang autograph adto na time. Ipa-answer ko niya para remembrance lagi daw. Naabitaw na question na, who is your crush? Though gadwa-duha ko og tubag, gihuwat gyud nako na kwaon niya ang notebook. She went to my office to get it and asked why daw walay crush. Namugos man gyud siya na mahala ko adto. So I wrote Miss M. Pag-abot niya sa ilaa, ni-text siya kinsa daw si Miss M. Ni-promise pud siya na dili daw siya musulti. I replied, okay, since you promised, M stands for Max. Muragid ko tala-tala after na sent. I was hoping na buang ang network unta para wala niya ma-receive. Ni-reply bitaw na siya, oh, the same name as mine, sir? Where is she now? Can I add her on Friendster? She was second year at that time. I answered her, Max, it's you. Dugay ra Max. Gitapugngan lang nako kay dili pwede. I hope nothing will change. Friends lang unta gihapon ta. Please, let's keep it as a secret. Naturiring na gyud akong utok adto kay ni-reply ko adto. Gapaso-paso ko sa kwarto adto. Kanang pareha bitaw sa mga salida. Nihunong ko pag-reply niya. She said, really, sir? It's okay. It's our secret. Thank you, sir. After that confession, ginatry gyud nako na dili mahalata sa uban. Og magtagbo mi, mugreet siya, good morning or afternoon, sir. Musmile ko. Kupahan kaayo ko niya gyud. One night, Max texted me, sir, maybe it's now the time for me to confess too. Crush puti ka, sir. Maybe because, sige tag text. Sweet man good ka sa ako, sir. Ikaw ang laki nga ginapa-feel sa ako na special ko. Don't worry, sir, because I know na dili pwede. Good night, sir. Ni heart akong mata, uy. Abi na ko dili kiligon ang laki. Ako gung nakisan akong phone. Pero dili ko bayot ha, laki ko. Fast forward. Max was in third year when I courted her. Wala gyud ko kapugong bisan kabalo ko na dili pwede. Nagpatabang ko sa iyang mga close friends. Hatag chocolates every day, send sweet messages always, and after a month, Max said yes. Nagpromisay mi na amua lang gyud itago kay basin matangtangan kog license. Nagbula-bula ra ba akong sipon og answer sa exam. Gitago namo sa dugayng panahon among relationship. In love kaayo ko ni Max gyud. Siya ang girl na gihatagan sa mga first times. Tiglaagan mi sa ilaa pero uban iyang mga friends aron dili halata. Permi pod nako siya pasakyon kada uli if malabyan nako sila, kay magbaktas raman sila pauli. Hinay ra akong dagan, kay gusto ko kaoban mi og dugay. Hukagi moves pod panagsaba. Fourth year na si Max. One night, murag lahi ang atmosphere sa balay. Wala mo tingog akong mom pag-abot nako. Pagsulod nako sa kwarto, nisulod sad si mama. CPA di ay akong mama and nag-teach sa isa ka university. Nisulti siya, kanusa nagsugod ang imong kabuang dilan. Be professional. Ampingi imong lisensya. Buwagi ng bayhana. Wa kay makuha niya. Pamili gani pod og kaedad nimo ug naanay trabaho. Stop acting like a kid because you are not anymore. Mura ko gisulod sa freezer adto. As in, wala ko makalihok. Giunsa sa akong mama nga nakabalo siya. I was scared of what would happen to Max and to my profession. I didn't tell Max about what happened. Nagpadayon gihapon mi. Always na lang ko mo-stare sa iyaha after mo naog sa motor. She noticed that I was different. She texted me asking ngano ko. Palimong-limong ko kay dili ko gusto mawala si Max sa ako. Siya ang akong kusog. Wala mito nga si Max sa among anniversary. Nitawag ko niya. Ingon lang siya na sakit daw siya. I went to their house that night. Gidala na ko si Luz kay bisag ni grad na siya, napaman ko'y number sa iyaha. Nisugot iyang parents kay lagi, Luz was with us. Kabalo ay si Luz na uyab mi. I gave money to Luz para mutanaw siya sini alone and aron sad magkastorya mi ni Max. We went to the port. Presko ang hangin. I hugged her and said, "Happy anniversary, B. Let's be strong. I love you, B. You are the first and please be my last." I kissed her forehead. When I looked at her, she was crying. Na-feel jud nako na naay lahi ni Max. She said while crying, "B, I love you. Need ta magpaka-strong. But we need also to go on our separate ways. Fate will bring us back together soon, B." Mura og gibitad sa piranha akong tiil sa kasakit sa akong nadungog from Max. Nakigbulag si Max nako sa among anniversary. She told me that my mom confronted her. Mao di ay nakigbulag siya nako. Ang bae na akong gihigugma, wala maangayi sa akong mama. Though wala ko nisugot na magbulag mi, ni distansya si Max nako. Dili na pod siya musakay iniguli. Dili na mo text pirmi. Mangumusta lang siya taman. Nagbahad akong mom na itugan sa principal if sige pa mi. On her high school graduation, I had mixed emotions. Happy for her achievement, kay valedictorian man siya, and sad for the next school year, kay I couldn't see her in school. Bisan wala na mi adto na time, I still greeted her and even gave her a gift. Gidawat man sad niya, abi nakog dili. I confronted my mom about it. She kept on insisting na dili si Max angayan para nako. Ambot murag nalain ko sa akong mama pero she's still my mom. I spent days, months, and years na sa Facebook na lang halos makakita ni Max kay nagskwela na siya college sa city. Magkakita mi usahay sa church, but hanggang smile na lang mi. If mo text ko, always siya busy sa iyang studies. Years passed, updated gyapon ko ni Max kay sige kog pang stalk niya sa Facebook. Nabalaan sad nako from Luz na naay sutor si Max na naa sa barko nag-apprentice. If mag-ask ko ni Max, ingon lang siya na friends ra daw sila. Murag nabugnaw na si Max sa ako. Wala na sad kaayo ko magtingog-tingog sa akong mama. Tingog lang if unhan. Dugay na kaayo ko wala makakita ni Max. Gimingaw na kaayo ko niya pero akong gikaya ang mga days knowing mubalik siya nako like what she said na fate will bring us back together soon. Maura gyud na akong gipanghawakan. Fast forward, I transferred to a public high school after 2 years sa amo breakup ni Max. At the middle of the school year, our principal introduced a new faculty member. It was Max. Nalipay kaayo ko, nakauban na mi sa work. Maybe this time, ang naa sa akong huna-huna. She introduced herself. I focused my attention to her like the ila-ila portion way back then. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ma'am Max C. It's a pleasure to be assigned here. I was not expecting that Sir Dylan, my mentor in high school, is my colleague now. At least I have a friend already. I'll be handling English subjects. See you around. Hala no, English teacher siya like me. And nisamot ko kahapi kay wala gihapon maotro iyang family name. Naapagyoy chance. Gi-acknowledge pagyud ko niya. Kaila pa di ay siya nako. Gikilig ko balig 3/4. Kauban mig seminars, meetings, and pareha may advisors sa school paper. Naagyoy mga times na mag-uban mi ni Max. Casual lang among conversation. Ma'am and sir ang tawagan. Friends me. Sometimes, mo-open kong topic about our past. Permi man niya pakgangon oy. One morning, nagkadungan mig abot sa school. I greeted her, "Good morning, ma'am," and she replied, "Good morning, Sir Dylan." I added, "Let's have a meeting with the writers later. Can you make it?" "Yes, I'll be there," she replied. "See you later, B." Ambot ba oy ngano nakasulti ko adto. Iya kong gikumuan sa iyang right hand. Pero bisag inato, gikilig ko. In love gyapon kong Max nga akong co-teacher na karon. I was thankful na DOST scholar siya kay dali siya nakasulod og work. Magsigi kog laagan sa faculty room nila, mga female teachers, kay naa si Max. One day, and to be exact, last October 14, 2016, naay nakakar niabot sa school. I was thinking nga mangita ang laki sa among principal. Uy, nagdala mag flowers. A teacher came out from the faculty room, blindfolded, and was guided by some teachers. It was Max. Grabe ang kakulba nga akong na-feel. Gitangtang ang blindfold ni Max. I saw the guy knelt down and proposed to her. Max cried and hugged the guy. Gikumot akong heart sa akong nakita. Engaged na si Max sa usa ka seaman. Nihila ko inside the faculty room. Ako'y last na teacher na niuli. Gasigi lang kog hilak. Last December 28, Max texted me na pwede ba daw mukanta ko sa ilang kasal. Kamao man sad ko mukanta gamay good. Dugay kay ko ni reply. I contemplated everything. I decided to say yes para ma-feel niya na okay ra ko and suportado na ko iyang happiness. But deep inside, I was not. And until now, dili jud okay. I said yes with a condition. I begged for her to talk to me privately. Last Monday, we talked in a restaurant. Pagsulod ni Max, she's the Max whom I fell in love with years ago until now. And high schooler na nahatagan sa akong love. A girl na wala kauyuni sa akong mama. Gwapa kaayo siya sa iyang gisuot. She said, "Hi sir, nakadesign na ka sa imong kantahon?" I held her hand. I cried in front of Max. B, what if okay ra si mama nimo? Ninyoan ba ko nimo? What if okay ang tanan nato karon? Makigbalik pa ka? I said while crying. She pulled her hand saying, "Dylan, thank you. I'm so grateful that your mother didn't like me for I became what I am now." Paul was there. He was even the one who comforted me after your mother confronted me. I'm sorry if fate brought us together with sadness. I knew from the start that I will never be the right girl for you. Naghilak kog duro sa iyang giistorya. Walay adlaw na wala pika gihandumbi after ta nagbulag. Sorry, wala pika gifight. Ako ang laki na dili deserving nimo B. Talawan ko. Gibuian tika sa ngato kasayon. You have my support B, even if it hurts a lot. That was the last time na nasolo nako si Max. I am planning to enter priesthood next school year. Mag-practice na sad ko sa akong kantahon sa kasal ni Max. How I wish ako ang groom. To you Max, you will always be my B. Thank you na gip-experience ko nimog love. Ayo naman to gikilig kog suway. I hope Paul will take care of you and love you sincerely. Best wishes ninyo ni Paul. I love you and goodbye, B. Thanks for your time, readers. Please include me in your prayers. Fight for your love, kay dili lali mawala ang tawo tungod sa imong pagkatalawan. God bless and more power. Sir Dylan, AB English, Mindanao.